Hi there and welcome to my channel. Marianne Nails have very kindly sent me 5 of their stamping plates to swatch and review, and I'm going to leave all the links in the description box to their website and social media. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down into 5 separate videos which I'll be uploading this week and next week. And I'm going to begin with the first one, which is stamping plate number 7. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that like button as it really does help me out. There are 30 stunning designs which are what I would call sweater and plaid images. I personally don't own anything like this, and I was looking at either this one or one from another brand to purchase, so I was super excited when I saw that this one had been sent to me. For all of my swatches, I've used my Born Pretty dual white and clear stamper, and I use the clear head, and my usual mix of stamping polishes. I will say that my Colour Alike, Hit the Bottle and Nicole Diary stamping polishes worked the best. I've personally only just got into these types of designs, but they're so pretty. One thing I will say, and that is with the swatching of the ones with lines that have got lots of different directions in them, I found that scraping down and then diagonally across the image seemed to work best. A few of them did give me a few problems, especially the one on the top row, 4th one across. I think I tried 8 times. But I do think that with more practice from me on these types of images, and I will get better at them, but most did swatch first time. I love how these swatches have turned out, and there is quite a few of the swatches that I actually want to turn into full manis. Now, speaking of manis, for each of these 5 videos I have made 2 manis for each plate. So the first mani is this gorgeous red and gold mani. I don't normally put red and gold together, but I absolutely love this, and this will be fantastic to wear over the autumn and winter season. I really do want to do this one again. The second mani is this gold and black mani. Now again, I don't usually put black and gold together on myself, but I really like this one. Now for the mani, I've used 2 different images from this plate, and I've used them because to me they seemed sort of the same image, just one slightly smaller than the other. I would love to do this again, but do it in a different colour combo. So on to the live swatching, and I'm going to be using my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, my Nicole Diary black stamping polish, and I'll just be taking a swatch from each line and placing it onto my lint roller. Now I did want to use a different stamper in this live swatching, so I did try my XL Fabi Nails and my Dixie plate stamper, but for me personally I just found that this stamper just seemed to pick them up so much better, so I decided to stick with this one. I do have a Marianne Nail playlist with other plates that I have either been sent to review or I have purchased myself. They really do make some very, very pretty plates. I know that here in the UK, Nail Artisan is my stockist for these plates, but also Lantern and Wren in the US is also a stockist. Marianne Nail stamping plates are some really high quality plates which are engraved really well. I have had a few that have been a little bit tricky here and there, like with this one with the directional lines, but overall some fantastic plates. And what I do love about these large plates is they are plastic backed, which gets a massive thumbs up from me, especially as only a few weeks ago I actually cut my finger on a non-backed stamping plate, and I can't tell you how much that hurt, so I loved that they're backed. So make sure you're following Marianne Nails' social media, their links are in the description box, and also make sure you're subscribed to my channel to see all 5 plates which they have very kindly sent me, and of course my other videos and many more to come. So an absolute massive thanks to Marianne Nails for sending me these plates to review. You know my tastes very well. So if you have enjoyed this swatch and review on this Marianne Nails stamping plate number 7, then please give me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe and share. And also don't forget to come over and follow me on Instagram at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!